Hi, today I'm front of me ALCATEL 1T10 Smart, and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So to do that, we should open first the Muviz Edge application, and here in the AOD section you should select one from the available tabs. For example, let's use this one. Tap to apply. Here we could add the backgrounds just by swipe to the up or to the down. Tap to apply. Click to music controls. We could hide them after 10 seconds, or just to don't hide them, to turn on or turn off to show the notifications, show the date by click on the switchers, and to show all battery status always while charging or never. Let's go back, tap to X icon, switch AOD to the settings. Tap here to always on display. We could decrease and increase the brightness level. To switch timeout from 5 seconds to never. To also switch time in low power after no option. To switch the screen orientation, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, close it on screen up, to set the shadow, start and time, the pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD option on our ALCATEL tablet. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.